So now talk through what's involved in creating the program. The program I'm referring to is the pamphlet and booklet which each guest gets a copy of, and it summarizes what's happening on the night. It gives information about Starts, about the charity, and it's also a place where we promote our sponsors. I think the easiest way to do this is just to go through each page and outline what's involved. This template here for Refugee Ball 2010 was actually copied from 2009. All we did was update the background, the text, change a bit of font and photos. Alright, so starting from the first page, what you'll notice is there's a pretty cool background here with a few birds. We basically took that from one of the winners of the Refugee Art exhibition early in the year, and we got their permission to use their painting in the program. And we also, to keep it, I guess, professional, have page numbers, the website, and just our main logo. And be conscious of this is the front page, and then this here, page 2, will actually be on the back of the cover. So here we just put a few photos and some quotes. We added quotes which were very positive and painted a very good picture of Starts, which we obtained through the public relations coordinator. And scrolling down. So when you first open the program, this will be the first page you actually see, and which is a foreword. So the foreword is usually written by the president of Friends of Starts. In this case it was Richard, and it just paints a really good picture of what Starts does. So here he's given a bit of a story about refugees, and ended it with a really good thank you paragraph to everyone who helped with the ball and also with Starts in general. Notice we have, scroll back up. We put the Starts logo on each page, all Friends of Starts. So next one is the order of proceedings, which is a quick summary of the night and what's happening. Then next is the menu. So it's a food menu, which is purely copied from the venue. The actual food menu, we as the event coordinators get to choose it, and we just copied it. And then next is you'll start going through profiles of prominent guests or people involved with Starts. So we have Jorge. Every year he updates his bio, which you can get from his assistant. And then we go through some of our VIPs. So Graham Tom was a guest speaker, and then David Smith was the MC, so they kind of got their own page. Their photos were taken from Google Images with some permission, and same with paragraphs. We took them from their websites and just kind of confirmed with them beforehand to make sure that it's okay. And then next is a thank you. So as the event organizer, it's always quite important to add a thank you note to everyone who sponsored the event and anyone who helped out. And here's a bit of a photo. And then we have a page dedicated to our major sponsors, our table sponsors, and all the prize sponsors. So I guess as a reward for helping out with the event, all these guys get a bit of promotion. And then next we have a page showing recognizing all the people involved in organizing the ball, so the key and volunteers and supporters. And then it's very important you include a page like this, because volunteers do need to be appreciated, and it's quite exciting for them to see them there, and quite often they take the program with them, a bit of a memorabilia. And then these are the last pages. So last page is cover. We added last photo, another quote similar to the front cover, and then here when you turn over, we just have the contact details for Starts for anyone who post the ball, keeps the program, and wants to be in touch. And then we also acknowledge the artwork, and yeah, so always include your phone, your fax, and your email. But basically, that's a quick rundown of what's involved with creating the program. It's very easy. It's made through Word, and all you need to do for this year is update all these text boxes. You can change the year to 2011, change the background, add new photos, and you're put there. Something to keep in mind is programs, because printing in full color does cost quite a lot. So last year we had a printing company called KMD Design and Print, who did it for very cheap. I think it was roughly $2 per program. It was on gloss paper, very nice, and all stapled. Be sure to get your charity discounts and get the admin costs such as printing as low as possible.